Am I the only one that remembers how to make fufu or akpu using this turning stick? Guys, this is so amazing. Just stay tuned. So I traveled to my village to see my mom. We haven't seen for a while. It has been like over a year now. So I decided to go visit her. I woke up the following morning with so much energy in me and I decided to make fufu. Welcome back to Affordable Kitchen. If you're new here, thanks for joining and thanks you all to my returning subscribers. So I just went ahead to mix my akpu. There was leftover fufu in the house. That is, I cooked akpu in the house. I decided to add everything to it. This way, I don't have to cook it twice. I'll just cook it once. So while mixing it, I remember that holding this pattern, our grandmothers used to use to make fufu. Like in my place, I don't know about you, they will just put the akpu in the pot and keep using the turning stick to mix it as if they're making semo. And when they mix it like that, like guys, you will enjoy the swallow. The swallow will be swallowing. Everything will just be so smooth and nice. One thing with making fufu with on a stick is like when I was a child, if I'm trying to make fufu with on a stick, guys, I used to burn a lot of fufu in that process. Like a lot. It was it was so much that my mom now stopped us in the house that nobody should use turning stick to make fufu in the house anymore. That we should go through the usual process of cooking and pounding it in the mortar. And that one really got me because I was a victim. Like I was someone that when I want to cook my fufu, I want it to be quick. So that pattern of using turning stick to turn it while it's cooking inside the pot is usually very easy for me and quick as well. I did enjoy it a lot. So until when after my mom stopped me. So when I grew up, I learned it the way to make it without me wasting a lot of fufu in the pot. And I got it right because Granny told me how to do it. So after I learned very well how to make it, I kept on making my fufu like this most of the times when anytime I'm in the village. I was actually very grateful to Granny for teaching me how to make this fufu with turning stick without me burning a whole lot of the fufu in the pot, and I was so enjoying it. So today that is the same thing I'm going to make using turning stick to make the fufu. Granny is around, my mom is around, everybody is so happy and joyed. I was so excited when I came and mom said she came visiting because they don't stay together and we enjoyed our time and stayed there. Only just the only thing that wanted to spoil our trip was the constant rain. Like guys, this July rained a lot. Every single day before you go out, even before you wake up from bed, it's raining, and even after. So, like, that was the only thing that wanted to spoil our stay here. But I sure enjoyed it, sha. It was fun coming home to see everybody healthy and alive. You see this hair I made? Guys, this hair was so painful. So painful. I don't know how the woman made it. Like when she was plaiting it. My nature of hair is that kind of hair that when you're plaiting, I think they say it's rubber hair. When you were plaiting it, I will not really feel the pains. Most times, once you plait and leave it, the pains goes away. But this time around, I don't know how this woman did it. This hair wanted to just strangle me. I was feeling a lot of pains. This hair pained me for days. Like even up to the day I was making this video, I had that pains could not did not still leave me. And if you're wondering why I added oil, yes, it makes the swallow smooth and easy to cut. It won't be sticking to your hands even if it's very soft, because I'm making softer version of the fufu for everybody to be able to swallow. We don't want it too hard. I had to boil some groundnut as well and eat. I was at home now. I had to have the time and I enjoyed every moment of it. So that was it, guys. Can you see how free the pot is looking? The pot is still very easy. Can you see it? If it was when I was small, everywhere would have been choked with burnt fufu by now. So this is how it is, and that oil will make it more easy to for it to just move freely in the pot. How many of you that when growing up, after mommy finished cooking, everyone you come and surround mommy with everybody's plate? Like that was how like I had this childhood experience, and it was so sweet, like so sweet. When my grandmother finished cooking, or sometimes it's my mom, because I do shuffle stay with both of them. So when they finish cooking, we bring everybody's plate and surround them. Then she will now share the food according to everybody's age. This one, the most senior will take the highest portion of the food, just like that. Those days were fun, and it's still fun, sha. Those memories were all just flooding in my head, and I just thought I would just share everything. So this was it. We finished making our fufu. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, welcome to Affordable Kitchen. I appreciate your love and time that you have spent with me today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate the love. I'm truly grateful. Thanks for joining. And if you're new, please remember to subscribe to Affordable Kitchen. Here we do cooking tutorials, lifestyle vlogs, and cooking vlogs as well, and we share most of our experiences here as well. So thanks for joining, guys. Do subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification to get notified anytime we post a video. Thanks, guys. Please drop your comments below. Let's communicate with each other and get to know ourselves. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and thanks for viewing my vlog today. I truly appreciate you. It was a day well spent. We've made our fufu, we washed our dishes, I made some granules, and after I finished cooking, it was raining, so I had to just go and take a nap and just rest. So thanks guys. See you on our next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe.